June plum and cherry pineapple natural juice recipe full
Hey guys,
video Jamaican cooking with lumberjack.
Simple natural cherry and pine with June plum, simple natural recipe. Alright, so please watch the video to the end, like and share. So I'm starting by washing my June plum and pine and have some clean running water. Please remember to wash your June plum and your pine car. Insect curl and the fruit tree. So I'm starting by washing my cherry them and thing. Wash off the dirt off of them and thing and pick out the leaf. Clean pretty running water. And by Jamaican cooking, lumberjack. Please watch the video to the end, like and share. It's a juice recipe, drinkable, tastable. My fruits and some small cubes. Pine them and my June plum in small cubes. So I'm starting putting the blender. I can't put the blender big, I cut them more small to blend them how you want them. So I'm cutting cucumber and pine and start blending them and thing, yeah. So blender go on and thing. We have to cherry them, wash and clean. We have some sugar. We don't really have ginger, but a natural, simple juice recipe. The recipe is drinkable, tastable. So you know, some blend up my eyes, starting by put the cherry in the blender and things. So I have some water, not really enough. So I'm going to blend my cherry, right? You can see natural, beautiful, flavorful cherry. So I'm starting to blend my cherry and thing, and the cherry I blend. So remember, it's a natural, simple, color cherry, to the pine blend there and the June plum, some added cherry to it. So I have two small plate, not really enough, not really enough to a small amount of juice and thing. So I'm starting by straining my juice in a strainer. Come on, to strain it proper. Because we don't want a bag of jugs in it. So put some sugar, yeah. Add some sugar to it. It's a simple natural juice recipe. We don't really have no ginger and no lime, so just normally we have to use what we have. So I'm starting by sweetening the juice and thing, yeah, with a spoon, clean spoon wash and thing. So see the juice recipe ready and thing there. You can see the presentation, drinkable. So please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Jamaican Cooking with Lumberjack. Please watch the video to the end, like and share. So I'm straining the juice for 4 times because I don't want no trash and no jugs night. So I'm straining it 4 times. Please remember to strain the juice properly. So you can see the presentation, drinkable, tastable. See the cherry them there. Remember Jamaican Cooking.